Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to this bonk video update today. Now, the thing is that bonk is disappointing at the moment, and of course, we've come down. So, I'm going to go back to how things were. We had a rounded bottom and we tried to break above. We had even successful retest, to be honest with you. But even after a successful retest, I do not know why they dropped it down. This was totally pure manipulation. I did try to take the trade. Even I recommended you to take the trade. So we risked like 3%. 3% is not a very bad, loss in your life. I mean, 3% is still something that it's okay. It's not like it's going to break your bank. Such losses, it's fine, but you still have to take opportunities. Now, the thing is that I told you one thing, that you are squeezing, like in the last two videos, I told you that there's a range in the middle right here, that if you come up and break to 3209 and close above it, then you could actually continue to go to the upside. Otherwise, if you come down to 2476, you will drop to the downside. Now, unfortunately, you came down, and the next thing I'm going to tell you is the following. You have an opportunity. Okay, you didn't have opportunity to pump to the upside. Okay, don't take it in your heart. It's not a big deal. It's just a part of trading. Take a break, go out, have fun with your family. Now, when you come back and you listen to this video, and this is going to make a lot of sense, but before I get into what I'm about to tell you, I did something very similar on Discord, and I gave 2 days ago, I said that give me 10 hearts and I'm going to reveal this coin for you. And this was a head and shoulder pattern. So the basic idea is that this head and shoulders is $120 in profit. Okay, just one simple thing that I shared has the potential to give you $120 if you're investing $1,000. So the thing is that this was ICP, and it was a head and shoulders, and it was supposed to retest and then fall down. So this is not a signal, but if you're a trader who knows how to read chart patterns, you do know that ideas are so good. If you had someone who can share patterns with you for absolutely free, would you like to get it? Okay, no, you don't charge anything. So I'm giving this on Discord, and it's just not only I'm gonna get into bonk. It is not only ICP. When you go, and I have to really promote this because it's for your own benefit, okay? Another trade idea was back in 22 of July. This was PayPay, right? I gave it a rising wedge of PayPay, and this was at 3400, okay? 3400. And not only that, but if I show you PayPay at the moment, and I just go in here and I show you what it's doing, then PayPay right now had a rising wedge, and look where it is right now. This is trading at 2126, and if you measure from 3400, my friend, this is 38% profit, which is $380 if you were trading with $1,000. So basically, that is totally free again. ICP was free again. Bonk, okay, if we go and we talk about bonk, even this can be an amazing idea. And if we drop in a trend line, we can actually see from there to there, you have a head and shoulders, you may have a retest, and this is another trade idea. So maybe don't enter here. Well, you can actually enter right at the retest. When actually the retest is going to happen, you take the trend line and you take the top to bottom, and you might actually see the drop down to 1924. You couldn't get the pump, you lost 3%, but you maybe can wait for the retest and you can actually get 25%, and that's $2,500 in profit. Not $2,500, $250 in profit with $1,000. And if you want to get into Discord, it's simple. Comment Discord in this video, and I'm going to send you the invitation link. And it's just a tap, and in 1 second, you're in. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.